stay, I'm leaving. Far too cold, I'm just frigid freezing. Fuck these girls for no fucking reason. Fuck the world, I don't need no reason. C-class Benz on the highway speeding, eyes bleeding. I'ma see just leaning. I'ma got gal in the back saying no, said I'm doing, I'm squeezing. They see cool, said I'm doing, I'm sneezing. No, said them bulls, said I'm doing, I'm teasing. More for drink, but I don't do leaning. That shit give me an awful feeling. Rather be smoking weed and wheezing. Just food and sex and sleeping. I'm in the one beer, bad news, but your girlfriend cheating. Come with the girl, them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. Pon the 400 quick, believe me, girl. Pon the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link pon the tool and come. Alright. Face to the face, I hear the voice now. You don't know, say a Cogency on the Cogency Reacts channel. And today, we have 6-7 Silent with Osman. I should have been react to this from the day they drop, but I just been. Let me tell you, if I don't wake up late, it's the fucking Euros, bro. And then I can't miss the Euros, dog. I can't miss football, dog. I can't. And it's fucking coming home, boys. It's coming home. Even though I never really care for England winning the Euros when it started. I really wanted France, Portugal, or Netherlands to win. But you know what I'm saying? If England win, I'll be over the moon, really and truly. You know what I'm saying, as a Premier League fan, just as a football fan, it's nice seeing those players, you know what I'm saying, go out on the pitch and do them thing. England been playing really well. But anyway, we're not even here to talk about football, bro. We're here to talk about music. 6-7 Silent, Osman, you know what I'm saying. We're not waste too much time. Check out the links in the description, you know what I'm saying. Help the channels to grow, you know what I'm saying. Get some activity on the channels. I'm going to be uploading more on the gaming channel very soon. You understand? I'm going to start recording some gameplay very, very soon. Very, very soon. So look out for that. And check out the music, you know what I'm saying? Check out the music at the start and the music at the end. The links will be in the description below. Yeah, and that's it. I'm going to jump in it. Motherfucker. Oh, from the last Silent song we listened to, Take Me In. Yo, they better take me in. Got caught on a lot course, you got splashed no crazy skin. The ups better rate the thing. The beat in that was sick. So I don't wanna hear nothing less from this beat, bro. There's no way we'll go from Take Me In to a shit beat, bro. I wanna hear some good beats, bro. Kaza, alright. I think we can trust Kaza. And Soldado. AK, big up AK. Oh, you hear that? Rupel Park. RP. Listen to this instrument. What is that, bro? Is that like a flute? Listen.
If something gets got round them sides, the feds might question us, man. What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brock?
Is it? What is it? Oh, man. Silent, bruv. Don't. Fuck off.
If something gets got round them sides, the feds might question us, man. What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brock?
What is it, bro? What is it? I can't get past it. What's that in the rucksack? What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brock? What is it, bro? What is it? What the fuck is it, bro? Alright, let's take a deep breath. Alright, let's go in again now.
If something gets got round them sides, the feds might question us, man. What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brock? That broski's itchy, man. Just clutch that, bust that, man. Hit trial and bust that. I don't know.
Big up dopes.
Is it a Brock? That broski's itchy, man. Just clutch that, bust that, man. Hit trial and bust that. I don't know what happened to my man. I don't know who done that. If something gets got round them sides, the feds might question us, man. What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brock? That broski's itchy, man. Just clutch that, bust that, man. Hit trial and bust that.
Ooh.
Rambo, is it a Brock? That broski's itchy, man. Just clutch that, bust that, man. Hit trial.
Broski's itchy, you might just clutch that, bust that, hit that trowel and bust that. Oh man, that remind me of Do Road, bro.
And the rucksack is a
Rambo is a brock, but broski's itchy. Might just clutch that, bust that,
man hit
child and bust that.
What
Oh,
happened to my man? I don't know
who's done that?
Way before we made this a change. I told bro we had to make us a change. Back home and I'm flying it straight. I told bro that it's back to the pips.
Ooh, one foul on the floor, so before that we made us a change. I told bro that we made us a change. Oh, done.
I told bro
Listen,
what
listen,
happened to
listen.
my man? I don't know who's done that. Way before we made this a change. I told bro we had to make us a change.
Way before we made us a change. I told bro we had to make us a change. Yo, I like that, man. Let's go.
I don't know who's done that. Way before we made
us
this
a
a change. I told bro we had to make us a change. Back home and I'm flying it straight. I told bro that it's back to the pips. Every day I got out for the planes. I know their piss car got anything. No chases, no cases, got anything. Big smile when I walked out the place. I'm in the bando trying to catch kids.
No further answers, blood. No further answers. No further actions. What is anything? No further answers or no further actions? I don't know. One of the two.
No chases, no cases, got anything. Big smile when I walked out the place. I'm in the bando trying to catch kids. This could end in a truce like this. It's got too techie, what can I say?
Hold on.
I'm in the bando trying to catch kids. This could end in a truce like this. It's got too techie, what can I say? Bro, couldn't give him one like Heady, nearly 10 like Messi. I smother.
Bro, I thought I heard the first Bando K bar, and then I was like, huh? And then I heard Desi and then Heady like one. Mm-hmm. Bro. And the beat in the background, the 808s are just vibrating on a different level, bro. Like you feel that shit in the back of your head, dog. I swear.
This got anything, big smile when I walked out the place. I'm in the bando trying to catch
kids.
kids. This could end in a truce like this.
Desi.
It's got too techie, what can I say? Bro, couldn't give him
One like Heady.
10 like Messi, I smother that blade. I smother that blade, get things done for my fallen mates. Whenever we pull up, they skate. I never see the pagans stay. I never see the pagans stay. It's safe, they know when the heart ain't brave. If you try run, get caught, get shaved.
Oh, man, they're turning up, bro. The energy is contagious, dog. Like, I just have a vibe too, bro. I swear, I just have a bugs. Yo. Oh, man. I never see the pagans stay. I never see the pagans stay.
Pull up, they skate. I never see the
Pagans stay, never.
I never see the pagans stay. It's safe, they know when the heart ain't brave. If you try run, get caught, get shaved. I'll do it for my whole estate. If you try run, get caught, get shaved. I'll do it for my whole estate. Hey, free bro, ski rule, for. They went and turned bro to a laugher. I was looking at 18 to laugh. You're complaining the cases you're on now, minor. You still got cats on.
Ooh, I was looking at 18 to life. The cases you're on are minor. Bruv. First of all, what did you do, bro? Isn't that a murder case, bro? Or manslaughter or something, dog? That's one of them big ones there, bro. I swear.
I was looking at 18 to laugh. You're complaining the cases you're on now, minor. You still got cats on like cause bros doing bang up with the warriors, minor. The ops talk what's on the gang if the verdict can be some guilty liars. Remember that my man got screwed, minor. The ops talk what's on the gang if the verdict can be some guilty liars. Remember that my
if the verdict can there be some guilty liars.
With the warriors, minor. The ops talk what's on the gang if the verdict can be some guilty liars.
If the verdict came, if the verdict came, there would be some guilty liars. Hey, they're lying. The ops are lying, bro.
Bros doing bang up with the warriors, minor. The ops talk what's on the gang if the verdict can be some guilty liars. Remember that my man got screwed tight and talk about wrong place, wrong timing, bros. In the back it was me that was riding, sliding, do it in silence. I can never talk to the trident and trust me, I ain't pulling over for sirens. We done nothing, I nearly tell laugh for, but it's the next to my broski's a laugh for. 3 GIEs also a laugh for. They just turned kills.
Oh no! There's no way you keep flowing after that, bro. After that drop, and then whoo. Bumbleclad.
You're complaining the cases you're on.
No, minor.
You still got cats on like cause bros doing bang up with the warriors.
Yes, minor.
The ops talk what's on the gang if the verdict
can there be some guilty liars. Listen.
Got screwed tight and talk about wrong place, wrong timing, bros. In the back it was me that was riding, sliding, do it in silence. I can never talk to the trident and trust me, I ain't pulling over for sirens.
Do it in silence, bro. His name is Silent, bro.
Sliding, do it in silence. I can never talk to the trident and trust me, I ain't pulling over for sirens. We done nothing, I nearly tell laugh for, but it's the next to my broski's a laugh for. 3 GIEs also a laugh for. They just turned kins to a laugh for. Why can't you chest shot gang? Haha. That one there were mine or
Wait. They just turned kids to a life for because he just chest shot gang. Haha. What?
They just turned kins to a laugh for. Why can't you chest shot gang?
Oh, why? Because he's chest shot gang. Haha.
Haha.
What? Like, why is he hiding, bro? I know why still, because if I think about the youth with him chest shot, dog, but like, fuck it, dog. He's chest shot gang, fam. Fuck it, fam. Fuck it. Free kids.
GI's Chris to a life for. They just turned kings to a life for. Why can't his chest shot gang?
Haha.
That one there were mine. 33 years, that's S and V together. Free up my freedom fighters. I was in the dock still smiling with dopey and
Ooh.
33 years, that's S and V together. Free up my freedom. Haha. That one there were mine. 33 years, that's S and V together. Free up my freedom.
33 years, that's S and V together. S and V. Is one of them drips. VD, Vigorous Drips. Probably. But who's the next one? S? I don't know. I mean, freedom, but... Dog, 33 years, dog? That's what I meant to pause and said. 33 years, dog? That's a lot of blood clot years, bro. I'm telling you.
Fighters. I was in the dock still smiling with dopey and know me, even though something got minus.
Oh, so what? They were on the case together? I wonder if Silent, Dopey, and VD dip on the case together. I mean, hey, man. That's the thing, bro. The song just so deep, bro. And so tough, bro. Like, yeah, man, I meant the lyrics them deep, dog. You understand? Hold on.
33 years, that's S and V together. Free up my freedom fighters. I was in the dock still smiling with dopey and know me, even though something got minus. If something gets got around them sides, the feds might question us, man. What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brotback?
Oh, wait, hold on. I was just about to say, bro. Dopey looks really happy that he caught that he beat that case, bro. like, look at his face when Silent says the lyrics. Listen, Dopey, look. So I got minus, bro. You can see his grill shining, bro. And even there, he's smiling.
Something gets got around them sides, the feds might
Question us, man.
What's that in the rucksack?
Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brotback?
He's itchy, man. Just
clutch that, bust that.
Man hit
Chase on, bust that.
I don't know what happened to my man. I don't know who done that. No way could this beef get squashed. My beef's on tops, no solving it. He try run, but he still got and we caught up to him, who's soaking him.
Ooh, no. What? First of all, I was like, any beef that I ain't solving it. Before that, I said that in the last bit, and then he came back again and he actually said that in the last bit. Yo, Silent, dog. This is different, bro. This needs way more views. I think it's on 22K views, bro. This need 1 million views, dog. Right now, brother, man, I tell you.
I don't know what happened to my man.
Listen.
I don't know who done that. No way could this beef get squashed. My beef's on tops, no solving it. He try run, but he still got when we caught up to him, who's soaking him.
Bro, even the project, he tried running, he still got when we caught up to him, we were soaking him. Bro, the flows, bro. Take it in one more time. Just listen to me. Just take it in one more time, bro.
I don't know what happened to my
listen.
I don't know who done that. No way could this beef get squashed. My beef's on tops, no
solving it.
He tried
running, still got we caught up to him, who's soaking him.
He tried talk on Sav, now he's in a pack, so of course we smoke on him. How many man's been packed and they ain't done what? So the fuck can they cope with it? How?
And it keeps the flow going while chatting crud blood. Oh man.
Run, but he still got when we caught up to him,
who's soaking him.
He tried talk on Sav, now he's in a pack, so of course we smoke on him. How many man's been packed and they ain't done what? So the fuck can they cope with it? How? Can't cope with it. We apply that pressure, they holding it. No hocus pocus bros with it. Spin that whip if I spot them pricks.
Bro, there's too much to dissect right now. I'm about to talk about how them change the 808. You understand that? Go behind the kick for this part right here. If you listen, you can hear it.
How many man's been packed and they ain't done what? So the
as in, like, they don't make it continue like a heavy one, like, it just, I don't know. Listen, just listen.
Can they cope with it?
Listen.
Can't cope with it. We apply that pressure, they holding it. No hocus pocus bros with it. Spin that whip if I spot them pricks, man.
Then, alright. So now that we're taking the beat, let's go back and hear what Silent said.
Man's been packed and they ain't done what? So the fuck
can they cope with it?
Can't cope with it. We apply that pressure, they holding it. No hocus pocus bros with it. Spin that whip if I spot them pricks, man. Down if the 80 approaching things. Straight red rum if I back this. Way before me and VD, I done it with drips. Juice got spill me, take that trip. Juice got spill me.
Way before VD, I done it with drips. Same person.
Back this way before me and VD, I done it with drips. Juice gon' spill me, take that trip. Juice gon' spill me, step on that glide. You ain't got ox, it's live, it's live. Bro got his and I just forgot mine. If something get catched, then it might all five. Real talk all straight down to the 5, it's live. Yeah, done for my LT guys. Real talk all straight.
Ooh, bro, touch all straight down to the 5.
My all 5. Real talk all straight down to the 5, it's live. Yeah, done for my LT guys. Real talk all straight down to the 5, it's live. Yeah, done for.
Oh, what?
Down to the 5, it's got his and I just forgot mine. If something get catched, then it might all 5. Real talk all straight down to the 5, it's live. Yeah, done for my LT guys. Real talk all straight down to the 5, it's live. Yeah, done for my LT guys.
Something about up top him said down to the 5, bro. I guess they have beef with niggas from up top go straight down to the 5. I think so.
Yeah, done for my LT guys.
And they get done for my LT guys. Yeah, big up the LTs. Big up Slims. If you don't see my if you haven't seen my Slims Michael Phelps reaction, go watch that. And see one need for drop a song so I can react to it on the channel, dog.
Real talk all straight down to the 5, it's live. Yeah, done for my LT guys. If something gets got around them sides, the feds might question us, man. What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brock? That Broski's itchy, man. This clutch that bust that man hit trial and bust that. I don't know what happened to my man. I don't know who done that. If something gets got around them sides, the feds might question us, man. What's that in the rucksack? Is it a Rambo? Is it a Brock? That Broski's itchy, man. This clutch that bust that man hit trial and bust that. I don't know what happened to my man. I don't know who
done that. I don't know, bro. In the interview room, I don't know. Oh man, they have to blur the gang signs. Fuck. Oh man. I hope they move from that estate though, bro. Eventually, bro. Like, imagine living your whole life here. No, may I go back? Jamaican accent. Brother, imagine you live your whole life, yes sir, brother. No, you would. As in, like, as bad as Jamaica be sometime, brother. I'm glad I'm at Jamaica, brother, cause them council flat life there, brother. Probably if I'm dead, it wouldn't seem so bad, dog, but like, no, sir. But anyway, dog, anyways. There's so many instruments and things going on in that beat and the lyrics and the flows and the delivery from Silent, bro. Oh my God, excuse me, dog. Just well fucking done, dog. That's all I can say, dog. Silent. From Take Me In, you can see it right there, so. From Take Me In to this, bro. Standard never drop, bro. Still the same, bro. If anything, it go up, brother, because the flows I'm hearing at the second part. He tried running in, so when you go up to him, he was soaking him. And then two got he was trying on seven, going to a partner, we smoking him. And how many got packed and he ain't done was? They can't cope with it. Yo, bro. Madness. Fucking black. Yo. Brother. Dog, I actually know more and go listen to the song again right now, brother. Especially like certain parts when the beat drop and you just hear the energy in the 808, dog. Oh man, yeah, dog. Anyway, dog. That was 6-7 Silent. Us, man. You understand? Big up Silent. Big up the whole of 6-7. You know 6-7 is my favorite group already, dog. So, them finally get Dopey and an AK song YOLO to a mill. So, I hope Dopey will follow with something soon. Or AK, you understand? So we can react to it. And, yeah. Don't know, that was Silent. Us, man, 6-7. Cogency on the Cogency X channel. Check out the links in the description. And I'm out, motherfucker. Peace. Yeah. Can't wait the girl. Them want them, fuck them, no for reach me, girl. On the phone, just quick, believe me, girl. On the phone, just don't deceive me, girl. Link on the tool and come for reach me, yeah, girl. Bring the pink pussy to me, yeah, girl. Get round